What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So I've been getting a lot of comments lately, like what are the best budget streaming setups so that you can have a nice looking stream and a stream that sounds pristine. Well, that's what today's video is going to be about. I'm going to show you guys what you can get for under $300. This is going to include a microphone, mixing software, a camera, and a light to make your camera shine bright and look nice. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you guys what I think is the best possible budget streaming setup that you possibly can get in 2025. But really quick, for anyone here who is an aspiring streamer, you want to make your stream stand out against the sea of millions of streamers over on Twitch, Kick, and YouTube, right? So if that's something that you're interested in, you want to make your stream pop and look really nice and have some nice graphics, you guys got to check out today's sponsor, Own.tv. Own.tv is your one-stop shop for fresh new graphics for your stream. Whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or Kick, you'll find something that's a perfect fit for your channel. They offer full themed overlay packages, which are great if you're trying to give your stream a complete makeover, but let's say you're looking to pick up some new alert graphics, don't worry, because they've got you covered there too. You could find single graphics such as alerts, emotes, banners, panels, and logos as well. And one of the best parts about these overlays is that they are completely modular. So if you and your friends all pick up the same overlay, such as this Rodan one right here, you could change the colors and tweak it to match your brand, and none of you will have the exact same overlay. If you're looking to take your stream to the next level, be sure to check out Own.tv using my link below to support the channel. And don't forget, use code HAMMER at checkout for an additional 50% off your order. Now, back to the video. Okay, now we can dive into the video, right? So what I was talking about earlier is there's three things that you need to have a stream that looks and sounds professional. And honestly, you can get this stuff for, like I said, under $300 for some good quality products that really will make your stream stand out against the rest of the streamers on these platforms. And what we're going to do is start with what I think is the most important aspect of your stream, and that's going to be audio. Because it's been proven time and time again that people can watch a low quality stream as in video quality, but low quality audio just is horrible to listen to. It's actually so much easier to watch low quality videos than it is to listen to low quality audio. So audio is the number one thing here. Audio is very important. And what I'm going to tell you guys to pick up for your audio, for your microphone, is going to be the Elgato Wave 3 microphone. Now, I've tested quite a bit of microphones, as you guys know, here on the channel. The Elgato Wave 3 stands out amongst the rest. It sounds really nice, and right now it's on Elgato's website for $150, but if you guys check it out over on Amazon, I pulled that up, it's on sale for $131.99. Now, that is a steal for this microphone. Now, to dive into a little bit of the specs behind this microphone, I know this isn't a microphone video. Most of you are not going to be audiophiles here, but this is a USB Type-C microphone, so it plugs directly into your USB-C port on your computer. It features a cardioid polar pattern, meaning that, let me pull up a picture and show you guys here. So basically right here, if you guys can see, this would be the microphone. So to the direct sides, 270 degrees to the left, 90 degrees to the right, the microphone will pick up a decent amount of sound, and then directly in front of it, it's basically like a bulb pickup pattern, right? So right here where my mouse is would be where the microphone is, and then this is the front of the microphone and the sides. So it features a cardioid polar pattern. So this microphone will be great for picking up whatever you're saying. You could have the microphone all the way over here, but as you can tell with my microphone, it doesn't sound as good unless I have it right up to my face, right? So this microphone will be definitely a little bit better at that than mine. Mine is a dynamic microphone. It has to be powered pretty heavily, and I need to be kind of right on top of it, kind of eating it for it to sound really good. So this is a good mic to have on an arm. You can kind of have it like right here. Like if I had this microphone, I could pretty much have it right here, and you would be able to hear me perfectly. Whereas with this microphone, I need it right in front of my face to sound good. Now, aside from the awesome sound quality that the Elgato Wave 3 actually gives you for the price point, the best part about this microphone is that it enables you to use the Wavelink software. Now, what the Wavelink software actually does is it allows you to separate a bunch of different audio sources. As you can see here in Elgato's preview, you can have like a game volume slider, a Discord volume slider, Spotify volume slider, pretty much anything you want up to 8. And then at the bottom, let's see if they have it on here. I can show you guys that it allows you to have 2 mixes. So here's a good little preview of showing you how you can actually set up different audio sources. Literally any program running on your computer can have its own audio source that you can either mute, send to your headphones and not to your audience on your stream, send to both. You can adjust the volume sliders on there. Literally, this software alone makes this microphone amazing. So if you move over here, it'll also allow you to have 2 mixes. As you can see at the bottom here, this is a monitoring mix, meaning what's going to your headphones, and then what's going to your stream would be the stream mix. So you have 2 different sub mixes. If you want to hear things a little bit louder than you want to send them to your stream, or vice versa, you can do that. It's really, really nice. And honestly, anyone who's been using a Go XLR for years has this feature on the Go XLR. It's amazing to see that Elgato brought this to a simple microphone that sounds amazing. So this is basically giving you a full audio mixer and a microphone for $131, which is actually a steal. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is video, right? We need decent quality video. And there's nothing better than the Elgato Facecam MK2. The Elgato MK2 has an Elgato Prime fixed focus lens with a 2.4 aperture, and it uses the Sony Starvis CMOS sensor. Now, this webcam is unbelievable. Again, this is a USB Type-C product, so it plugs directly into your computer via USB-C, and it supports 1080p at 60 FPS, 1080-30, 720 at 120 FPS, 720-60, and then down the list all the way down to 540 30p. This webcam looks beautiful, and I can't stress that enough, guys, but what really makes it stand out again is all the customization that you can do with it. You can adjust the zoom, the field of view, the pan, the tilt, the contrast, the saturation, the sharpness, literally everything. You can adjust even the ISO on this webcam, which is out of control, and the shutter speed as well. So these are a lot of settings that we don't normally get to see on a webcam, and the Elgato MK2 would be at my top of the list for budget cameras or webcams that you can use for starting up your stream in 2025. The MK2 comes in at $130 on Elgato's website, but again, I found it for you guys over on Amazon for $109.99 on sale right now. This is, again, a steal for this webcam. And then, of course, last but not least, right, we talked about video and audio, right? Good quality audio is going to be awesome. Great quality video, that's going to be great. But what makes your video quality actually decent? And a lot of people who've been doing this for a long time will let you know on a little bit of a secret. Most of the time, it's your lighting. You need some sort of lighting. Like in this video right now, I have a key light right here. I have a key light right here. I have lights that are popping me off my background behind me. I have ambient lighting even further back than that. Like, I'll move out of the way so you guys can see. I have these RGB floodlights on the floor for a reason. As you can see, it's kind of making a glow, almost like an outline around my body, popping me off of my background. And that makes a big difference, right? So you guys need some lighting. For you, you need a key light, one at very minimum. That's going to make your webcam or your camera pop so much brighter. The colors are going to be better and everything's going to be clearer. So I found you guys a pretty cheap lighting solution over on Amazon. So here I found you a 2-pack of nice key lights. They're $42.99. This is an absolute steal. They come with remotes. They come with stands. I mean, it's a steal to have these 2 lights for this price. And you could even change out, like, let's say you don't want these tripod stands, if you don't want to stand them on the ground, and you want them to be on your desk, you could just purchase, a C-clamp mount and then screw these key lights right on the top of that. But this lighting is very important, and a lot of people neglect this when setting up their streams. They go for the camera, they go for the microphone, and they completely forget about lighting. And the way you're going to want to light it is by having one key light almost like right near where your camera is. That's my light right here. And then you want kind of a side light, which is where I have one coming here. So if you guys could see, this is the positioning of my lights. There we go, like that, boom. Okay, one is lighting me as the subject of my video, and then another one is casting a nice shadow across me to give your video depth, to show that there's some depth here, and this is not, I'm not just 2-dimensional. So lighting is very important, and for $42, this is not bad. So you just got a full streaming setup for under $300. So that's pretty much it, guys. I've tested so many microphones, so many cameras, so many webcams, so many different lighting solutions, and this is what I've come up with. I just helped my brother set up his stream not too long ago. He's using pretty much all of this equipment, and his stream looks beautiful. So if you want to get started with streaming in 2025 and you're on a budget, this is going to be the best way to do it. You can get all of this stuff for under $300. And if you guys use my links down in the description below, I earn a commission from that. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so that would greatly help me out and the channel, and it would save you guys some money as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It really does help me out a lot. Subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. And if you guys want to hang out with me live, jump over to my Twitch, give me a follow on there, twitch.tv/hammerdance. I stream Monday through Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. But anyways, guys, that's all from me. I want you to keep those hammers up, and I'll see you next time.